So this is another one of those CYA unbagging, unboxing. Huh, pretty cool. A package within a package. So, pretty neatly packaged package. And none of this is scripted. So whatever comes out is the real deal. Sometimes. Alright. Let's order this little camera. Oh yeah, iPhone camera thingy. Well, it looks like it works. You unscrew it here to extend this thing, and then you tighten it here to lock it in place. Put your phone there. Put that on the quick release plate. I think I have one here. This was a universal, but it was just small. Small universal. Small universe. So we put this on here like that. And then you put your phone on there. And that's it. Item as described. See. Sí. Sí. Estoy haciendo como siempre. Okay, gracias. Okay. And that was that. And it looks like it works. So here's a package I got from eBay today. For cell phone tripod adapter. Got a package inside the package. Let's see what it is. No, guess you can just see this. I did one just before I did this. Got one yesterday. Got this one today. Got a couple tripods, so you gotta keep them on each instead of swapping them around. Just like the other one. I'm using the first one I got on the phone right now. I was using a rubber band around the tripod head, and but now I'm using the tripod cell phone adapter properly, not having a Mickey Mouse with rubber bands. And then this one looks exactly like the other one. Looks like it works, and we're good to go. 99 cents. eBay. I'll put the link in the description. That's about it. Self-explanatory. Well, I'll explain it. You take your quick release plate, put it down here, screw it on there. This is where the guys go fast forward and so I'll just go zzz it like that. It's not screwing. Oh well. So this one's kind of loose. Well, that's why we try it out. Anyways, there's that. And this one came loose. Overdid that. That's what I get for... I see what I did. Okay, put that one there. So we're gonna put the quick release plate on the bottom. Now I look like a fool. Can't even do that right. Okay. So yeah, so this is the fast forward. Zzz. Yeah, there it is. And I said it was pretty simple. So you put your cell phone here, right? Then if you want vertical, tighten it. If you want horizontal, you tighten it. Estoy haciendo como siempre. Okay, gracias. Okay, yeah. Exactly the right moment when I'm... So you tighten it there, you got your quick release plate, and you're good to go. And this is what my mom brought. This or this? Okay, we'll go for this. All right, we're out.